Be the creator, not the consumer. This is Angus. Following our last video, we were talking about where you can buy from China. And out of more than 30 provinces, we found out that people are actually buying more frequently from two provinces. They're Zhejiang province and Guangdong province because they got more manufacturing cities. So today we're going to focus on one of them, Zhejiang province, and we're going to find out that what are the manufacturing cities in Zhejiang province, and you can know all of those details of those cities, okay? So as you can see here, I already got all of those cities on the Google Map, and I also make the notes for each city, so it will be very easy for you to understand what I'm talking about, and also it will be easy for you to make notes. So you can get familiar with those city names, and you can know about that what kind of products you can source from those cities. Okay, so let's check it out. When we're talking about Zhejiang province, the first city we need to mention is about Hangzhou city. Hangzhou, it is the capital city of Zhejiang province, and it has West Lake, Leifeng Pagoda, and they are very famous tourism places. And also in Hangzhou city, it got a lot of giant companies like Alibaba and NetEase. Their headquarters are in Hangzhou city. Okay, so this is about Hangzhou. If you want to travel to China, Hangzhou definitely it's a good place to travel to visit. Okay, and the second city it will be Ningbo city. Actually, in our last video, we already mentioned Ningbo city and the Shanghai city here because they're in the top 10 coastal ports. Even Shanghai, it is not belong to Zhejiang province, but it is very close to Zhejiang province, and it also exported a lot of products from Zhejiang province. That's why I listed here. But this time we will not talk about Shanghai too much, mainly about Ningbo, because Ningbo is not only famous for its location as a port, but also it has a lot of trading companies and shipping for orders over there. Maybe also because it is a port, that's why it attracts a lot of people to open trading companies over there. Okay, and the other reason is that in Ningbo city it also has many manufacturing cities. Very famous one are Cixi city and Yuyao city. They're all county level city, and Cixi is very famous for home electronics, home appliances, this kind of items. And for Yuyao, it is very famous for plastic products. Okay, I will got some reference here. And the third city I want to mention is about Yiwu city. I actually already made a couple videos about Yiwu, and I think that I will make more because I am in Yiwu, and I will normally frequently meet a lot of customers in Yiwu city. That's why, and Yiwu, it is the world's largest wholesale market, and it has more than 70,000 shops for daily used items. You can find all kinds of daily used items here in Yiwu city. Very convenient because they are all in one huge building. Okay, and the other reason it is because it is famous for Christmas items. It's not 100%, but I believe that more than 95% Christmas items are manufactured and exported from Yiwu city. Okay, so if you want to buy Christmas items, you definitely want to come to Yiwu and visit Yiwu. Okay. The fourth city, it will be Yongkang. Yongkang, it is called the China's capital city of hardware and door, and it also has a lot of household cleaning products of factories. And in 2015, you may know Baidenson scooter, or you may buy from Shenzhen, and the other place you're buying may be Yongkang. In the very beginning, it was manufactured in Shenzhen, but as it got hot selling, a lot of people want to cut down the cost, so they moved their manufacturing to Yongkang city because they got cheaper material and cheaper labor in Yongkang city. So it also makes Yongkang very famous. Okay, and the fifth city I want to mention is Wenzhou city. Wenzhou is very famous for shoes. It manufactures all kinds of shoes for men, for child, for women. Okay, and The other reason is that in Wenzhou there is a town called Nonggang, and a city, a county level city means Changlan. They are very famous for packaging materials. If you're buying a lot of packaging materials, you definitely need to know Nonggang town and Changlan city. Okay. The other city in Wenzhou is Ruian City. Ruian mainly produces automobile components for cars and motorcycles. This is about Wenzhou. And the other city is about Taizhou. Taizhou mainly for plastics and rubber, like plastic storage box, plastic chairs, rubber gloves, rubber coasters. A city in Huangyan, it is also a county level city. It's called China's capital of mode and artware. If you want to open new mode, either it's of plastic, wood, glass, metal, or other materials, Huangyan will be your best choice. And the next one, it will be Shaoxing City. If you're buying textiles, fabrics, you definitely know Shaoxing City. It is very famous for textile cluster, and also, if you know Shaoxing, you definitely Keqiao. You can find all kinds of fabrics, knitted fabrics, spinning fabrics, and cotton fabrics, polyester fabrics from Keqiao City. From Keqiao, okay, it is. And you can also find a lot of ready-made products such as bedding articles, curtains, carpets from Keqiao as well. And the other city in Shaoxing is Zhuji. Zhuji City is known as capital of socks in China, and also it has a lot of jewelry in Zhuji. And if you're buying umbrellas, you need to know about Shangyu City. It's called capital of umbrella in China. I already visited Canton Fair a lot of times, and when I was there, I found that a lot of suppliers who are supplying umbrellas there, I actually checked with them that they're all from Shangyu City. So definitely for umbrellas, Shangyu is the only choice. And the last one, it will be Anji City. Anji, it is not a city, it's a county actually, and it is located in Huzhou City. It is famous for office chair. I got a customer from Europe, and he bought a lot of office chairs from Anji, a lot of containers. Okay, so if you're buying office chair or gaming chair, Anji will be your best choice. So those cities will be those manufacturing cities in Zhejiang province, but definitely it will not be all of them. Those are the famous one. Okay, those are the famous one, and you first need to get familiar with those city names. And you need to know what are those cities manufacturing, okay? And if you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have different opinion, please comment down below this video, and we can discuss and we can share to other people, okay? And if you have if you have better advice for me to better demonstrate those manufacturing cities, or better introduce those manufacturing cities, you can also comment down this video. I can check and I can make some improvements, okay? And if you want, let me help you on the sourcing of the products, you can always reach me on the social links I share down below my video description. You can always leave message on my Facebook Messenger. I will reply you as soon as I can, okay? Once more, this is Angus. Like, share, and follow. Do what you want to do. Spread words. Thanks.